Man, I hadn't made videos in a while. Look at all of this. And that is why. This is a uh, full remodeled kitchen that I'm doing here. And putting these cabinets together is a daunting task. And you should have seen the truck. My truck was just sitting down at the back, having all this on here. It was incredible. I couldn't put one more cabinet on there. That's how heavy it was. But anyway, I put these things together. Now, these are called RTA cabinets, which are ready to assemble. I couldn't build a better cabinet for cheaper. And that's the reason why I needed to get it done. So that's why I'm not building them from scratch like I've done before. It's just easier and the quality is superb. Look at the shelf. Look at the thickness. This is just a shelf, 3/4 inch shelf thickness. So I bet you a lot of you go to your cabinets, you don't have that. So I picked a high quality cabinet that I'm putting off in here. And when you order an RTA cabinet, it comes in the little boxes and they're flat little boxes. That's how I can put all these cabinets here were on the truck. Every last one of them were on a truck, but they were all broken down in boxes. And when you go to get one of these, you decide to go and get one. And when you get it, it's not going to have any instructions in there. They're going to expect you to know how to do this. No instructions involved. And it could be quite intimidating. Could be quite intimidating for a lot of people, especially if you're not used to doing any type of woodworking. I'm going to do a quick video right here showing you how quick and easy you can put it in, put them in. Some cabinets take more than others because like a base cabinet that might have drawers and you have to put your drawers in. That's going to require a little bit more time, but putting the box together, all cabinets from custom or not custom, all start off as a simple box and there's no need to try to complicate that. So that's what's going to be the deal. But let me put this cabinet together for you right quick and show you it's not a big deal. All right, that's it. All you have to do now is put the doors on and the cabinet pins in there for you to put the shelves, whatever you want, however you want the shelves. This is quick and easy. I can't build this cheaper by buying the wood myself and painting it and everything. There's no way that I can get near this price point with the type of quality using plywood, hardwood cabinets, framing. I just want to be able to do it. So this is the reason why I go this route and get any kind of color. They charge about 15-20% more for different colors, in which at that point, if I wanted a different color, it's cheaper for me to buy the paint and paint all of them as opposed to getting them from the stores, from the factory. So my idea is to go and find the factory, and I found the factory that sold to me for wholesale prices, incredibly cheaper than what I would have gotten at any box store or any cabinet maker or anyone who's selling a cabinet. So get on Facebook Marketplace, you'll find them, and just find the warehouses, and find a warehouse and you'll find someone to sell it to you wholesale, and it's a wrap. Now, the quality of them, that can be debatable. They are not all created equal. I have some in my house that's lasted a pretty good while, but the quality of those are not near the quality of the ones that I have now. And so even with lower quality, I still had exceptional performance out of them. And this right here, I expect to get even more because of how sturdy and thick everything that they use, and amount of fasteners and the use of dovetail connections. See y'all in the next video.